How to turn off safe mode on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can turn off safe mode on iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step that you'll need to take is open up your settings. After you've opened up your settings, then you can scroll down. And after you scroll down, you will need to search for an option called screen time. After you find it, you can open it up. Now what you'll need to do is scroll down again, and there you should see an option called content and privacy restrictions. Now head over there, and after you're there, you should see this button toggled on. Now what this does is that this allows you to put restrictions on stuff like your apps, your purchases, your location services. Basically, this is like turning on your safe mode, but you can customize it. So to turn this off, all you need to do is tap on that very button, and then your content and privacy restrictions are now off. That is, your safe mode has now been turned off. And that is how you can turn off safe mode on iPhone, guys. Thanks for watching. That is basically all for today's video. Stay tuned for more. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button, and bye bye. Take care.